thought the PlayStation Portal was just a glorified PS5 remote? Think again. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming corner. Sony is shaking up portable gaming with a game-changing update. Since its 2023 launch, the Portal let die-hard fans play their PS5 games on the go, but only if their console was running back home. No PS5, no play. But that all changes now. Sony's officially rolled out cloud streaming for the PlayStation Portal, a move that could finally turn it into a must-have handheld. PlayStation Plus premium subscribers can now stream a selection of PS5 games directly to the device. That means you can play Ghost of Yoti, Grand Theft Auto 5, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and more from anywhere, whether your PS5 is being hogged by a sibling or left at home. This update is more than just convenience. It's all about portability. Gone are the days of remembering to leave your console powered on. All you need is a fast internet connection, your Portal, and a PlayStation Plus premium subscription. Suddenly, the Portal's no longer just an accessory. It's a true standalone gaming machine in your pocket. Sony's recent improvements, like including public Wi-Fi support, already made the device more travel-friendly. And now, by adding cloud gaming to the mix, the Portal's finally stepping out of the shadow of the PlayStation and carving its own way. While the list of supported titles isn't long, it's enough to get hardcore gamers excited about taking their PS5 library everywhere. For anyone who wanted a handheld that actually lived up to the PlayStation on the go promise, the Portal's new cloud capabilities might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Didn't you like this upgrade? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.